Kiyotaka Ayanokoji. I can't wait to study with you. I'm not really good at anything in particular. I'll do my best to get along with you all. I blew it. Close one.
You fight like an expert. Which of the arts do you practice?
Piano and calligraphy.
Ah, now I get it. I think I know who you are.
Tell me, did you actually have fun with us?
What makes you think I didn't?
It's just, I was watching you today, and I never saw you smile even once.
It's not on you. I've never been the type to smile much. But it's not that I can't smile. You just haven't given me a reason to. I'd rather not waste the energy.
I know this is kinda random, but I've been meaning to ask you. Are you seeing anyone right now, Ayanokoji?
Just you. No one's here.
I don't mean like who you literally see. I'm asking if you have a girlfriend or not. So, do you?
No, I don't.
Oh, that's good to hear. Why don't we exchange phone numbers? You know, since both of us are in the same class.
I'd be okay with that. Hey, where's this coming from?
During the sports festival. When I watched your race, I couldn't help but notice how impressive you were. And I realized you're actually quite handsome.
Yosh! じゃあ、行くぞー！じゃんけん！
What do you plan on doing? Tell me, exactly how do you intend to resolve all this?
I see. It seems his aim is to end this conflict by himself.
No way. I don't understand. Is he planning to thwart Ryu and his group all alone?
Excellent. From now on, she'll be entirely dependent on me. I proposed an end to our arrangement, which sparked a fear of abandonment in her, and waited until she was at her breaking point. Only then did I come to save her. Everything went as planned. I upheld my promise to her, and now she genuinely trusts that I'll protect her. I suppose I'm still stuck in that place. I wonder, will I ever see those around me as more than just pawns? Will the relationships I've made so far never be more than that?
Trying to manipulate me is not gonna work. You're going to regret your actions.
Don't worry about me. My life is so filled with regrets that one more won't hurt.
Throw away my freedom to protect my freedom?
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
だが堀北、俺はお前を仲間だと思ったことはない。お前も櫛田も平田も全ての人間は道具でしかない。家庭は関係ない。どんな犠牲を払おうと構わない。この世は勝つことが全てだ。最後に俺が勝ってさえいれば